Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna learn how you can easily change your password on the EA account. If you want to update your password for security purpose on Electronic Arts account, then here is how you do it. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer or laptops and type in ea.com in the URL box and search. Soon after you do that, make sure you're logged into your Electronic Arts account by entering your correct credentials. Now go to the upper right corner and click on your profile icon and click on Account Settings. Once you open up the Account Settings page, scroll down from the menu and then click on Security and Privacy from the left-hand side menu. Now, this will open up the Password section where you need to click the Edit button right next to Password. You'll need to verify your identity first. Click on Send Code. You'll receive a verification code sent to you via your linked email for EA. Once you receive the code, type it down in the verification box. Once you do that, click Submit. Right after you do that, on the next page, you'll be asked to enter your new password. Type in your password. Make sure to type in a strong one that you can remember later and confirm the password by re-entering it again in the next field. Finally, click on Save, and after clicking on Save, you'll be able to change your password for EA.com account. Next time while prompted or while logging in, you'll need to enter the newly updated password and do not forget about it again. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.